Hello everyone, myself Uday Garala, founder and principal designer of Craft Madness, based in Rajkot. We are multidisciplinary firm known for our approach towards architectural and interior designs. Panch Tattva is an essential project for us. As the name suggests, the residence is designed from the inspirations of five elements of life: space, air, fire, water, and earth, displayed on the temple wall of the house. The site is located in core region of Rajkot city. Site is nearly 3200 square feet. The home is designed for a businessman family, a couple and their two children. After a long discussions with the family, we came to a conclusion with the requirement sets into the category of modern luxurious home with the minimal approach and most formally with the ease of functional spaces. Panch Tattva, as the name implies, it is an artistic representation on the wall which leads straight towards the temple area, which has Radhakrishna idol of marble with the Gitaji slok engraved on natural granite. The beautifully detailed entrance is greeted with crystal Buddha sculpture that leads us to the living room, which has a eye-catchy featured wall with the metal sculpture that makes the living room space lively. The elegant metal chandelier connects the cozy Jula space to the family living. Family living is designed with an open theatre with an attractive touch on the wall, which is supported by recliner sofas for the client's comfort. The rear wall of the dining area and kitchen space are decorated with Raza design. The gemstone dining table designed an Italian concept and reached the space with the supporting feature such as fountain and a modular kitchen with a green wash area. A beautiful fountain crafted from black granite gives the pleasant aesthetics and soothing sound enriching the living space while acting as a barrier between the living area and the kitchen. The geometrical carving in Ambaji white marble in master bedroom have been artistically designed, and the entire stone wall has been backlit. Using shewed leather in the wardrobe and bed cladding gives the room an Italian touch. Keeping the ceiling subtle, the applications of intermediate lighting fixtures allows the user to engage with the surrounding. The entire home is composed of natural materials from the temple's grey granite to the master bedroom's backdrop of Kandla grey and Ambaji white marble, including marble flooring. An amalgamation of Italian theme and Indian material has been challenged for us, and yes, we came up the best version of it. I give my sincere gratitude to my clients who allowed me to explore more on concepts and designs. I also thanks my team who thoroughly helped me in design and executions in the projects. Thank you.